ID Shield. Now, listen, identity theft is the fastest growing white collar crime out here. It's like an iceberg. You can see on top, but you can't see all the damage that it's causing on the bottom. So here you're going to get access to your credit score tracker. That means we're going to track your score in real time right there on your smart device. On top of that, you have monitoring and alerts from your credit score all the way to social media, as well as financial threshold account monitoring from your credit cards to loans and much more. Now, why do we place so much emphasis on monitoring and alerts? It's because the best defense for identity theft is early detection. And that is exactly what we provide to our members. In addition to that, you have Privacy Check. That's to help keep your information away from the data brokers. Do you all know that the data brokers don't care about protecting your information? They just sell it off